Just us, right? Alright, cool. Yes, let's do that. No, he won't be paying attention. We'll be alright.
What are you flying, a 6?
6,000, yeah. Where's my... There it is right there. Okay, we're good. Alright. Yeah, I got a 6,000 in here, so I'm good. Yep. No burner in this one though. I'm changing the setup. Exactly. But I still have graphics to do too. It doesn't come with Andre Webb's, and that's the one I want to use. Yeah, come on up. We're going to be flying kind of crazy, though.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Take it off.
Final clear. Gear up.
This is the first time I've actually flown this plane at the beginning of the day, and it's almost perfectly trimmed. Hey, Dodale, I'm going to do a low pass before you take off. Okay.
Back up a little bit, Jack. I don't even know where you are.
I am up here.
Okay.
I'll come down with you. Is that you right there?
Yeah.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I'm going to do a fast pass right now.
Going up?
Nope.
I think I might be just a touch faster.
Yeah, I'm not really trying to go.
That's the old setup.
Yeah, this thing's quick. I just haven't built up speed yet. Whoa! Did he actually touch the ground?
I don't know. I think
Jodell, did you touch the ground?
I think he might have hit the fence.
I heard a thump.
You good, Jodale? I think so. I think you might have hit the fence.
I said I got too close there.
Time remaining 1 minute.
You don't want to do it.
There you are.
Love this F-22.
Joining up with you.
I'm throttled back.
Oh, it does. The in-runner would be even better.
30 seconds.
Doing a fast pass.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
There's a lot of bumps out there today. Right now.
Gear down.
Hey guys, landing. Okay. It's really bumpy. Sheesh.
Alright, I'm gonna land behind him, Jodale.
Oh, he's coming behind me. Okay.
You're good.
Yeah. I'll roll out. Come on in. We're all the way at the end.
We're at the end, Joe Dale. Off on the left side.
Okay.
Come on in.
Go ahead and come
You
in.
got plenty of room. Back up, Jack. There you go. Don't force it down.
There you go.
Ah! Oh, there you go. That's better.
Carrier landing.
You grab the second hook. Second,
Didn't
second
hurt it.
wire.
What happened though? You hit something out there.
Was it the ground?
No, I think it's the.
I think you might hit one of the fence posts.
1 over.
I like it with the lights. It looks good with the lights.
Yeah, told you.
I just had to figure out how they were powered. I think there's only screws. It doesn't take
It's
much.
just the tail and the wing.
Yeah.
Go get it out of the box, Jack.